JCC and Japan Securities Clearing Corporation, it's clearing house body of the Japan Exchange Group. And we actually launched the first vessel production system January 2023. And after production, we worry about where or how to manage the open source. That's why 1 year ago, we joined the Hyperledger Foundation. For the last 1 year, we got a lot of benefit from the foundation. Just last week, JCC and the DTCC announced collaborated POC, Japanese clearing house run on the US clearing house and CSV. So that is a really good part of step for the collaborate global home manager. So actually we met with DTCC 1 year ago in this event. That was a really great value for our company and for myself.